We are working with the Affordable Care Act, and therefore last session we implemented a state health care exchange. We felt that that was the best way as a state to engage with the federal government as it comes to federalism on this health care issue. So we decided to take ownership of our own destiny, and therefore are in the process of creating our own health care exchange as a state. As far as federalism goes on other issues, federal lands, Idaho, the 3/4 of the state of Idaho, most of the state, is in the ownership of the federal government. And we, as well as a lot of states, several states in the western part of the United States, are drafting legislation and building a coalition to work towards the federal government turning those federal lands back to the states, where the states can manage them in a more efficient process, and the states can participate in more of the revenue being generated from those lands, and therefore meaning more education dollars in the actual individual states.